Hi, today I will represent you world's most portable air conditioner only at eskimohot.com. Well, I was searching for an air conditioner on Google and of course I found some units, but I found two that, well, on the Google page one, all the units costed more than $300, which is quite a lot to me. You know, I live in the place where we don't have much hot weather, and only a couple of the months in the year we have summer. So, you know, I couldn't, well, buy it for that much. So, well, I like using um, air conditioner buddy because, well, it is really cool and I can easily plug it into my laptop. Well, you know, I use my laptop a lot and every day and so often, and well, it was really convenient to me just, well, to use this air conditioner. I have it in my office, I have it in my kitchen, and well, its cost is really effective. I even bought one for my mother and sister, and they are very, very happy using it. And I'm happy that they are happy. So, don't forget, and well, make sure you visit eskimohot.com and make sure you purchase one because I promise you, you won't regret it. And well, just thank you for watching this video and don't forget to leave comments. I will write you back. So take care.